Hi there, my name is Andrea and I am super stoked for today's video. Taylor Swift's album Folklore dropped about a month ago and I have all these ideas of clothing and accessories and other things I want to make to celebrate the album. First off, I have bought several merch items from the official Taylor Swift store, quite frankly, because I want her to be #1 and win all the awards, and with the purchase of merchandise, you get an album. And anyways, I am planning on doing a full unboxing video when I receive all those merch packages. I am also planning on making a cardigan and doing a DIY video on that. So basically what I'm saying is you should subscribe if you're not already. Be sure to subscribe and like and comment, say hi. Also, this video is kind of a big deal because I am having my first ever giveaway. That's right, today one of the items that I'm making, I'm going to be doing my first ever giveaway. So yeah. Stay tuned to find out how. Okay, so here's the thing. I love crafts. I don't draw. I don't paint. I am not artistic in that sense, but any crafts, I knit, I crochet, I embroider, I sew, I love it all. I just love like taking like literally nothing and making it into something. I love giving people presents that I made. That's why I'm doing a giveaway today. So let me take you through what we're going to be doing today. I know it kind of looks like a lot, but it's not. Anyways, did you see the teal t-shirt? I bet you did. So on this t-shirt, I am going to be embroidering over here up on the left chest. If you know the song Invisible String, which I'm sure you do. Taylor Swift says, teal was the color of your shirt when you were 16 at the yogurt shop.
You used to work there to make a little money.
So yeah, we're gonna do an embroidered design on this shirt. I also have this green, very folklore. I want to like cut it up somehow. I'm thinking maybe doing like a V-neck cut. And then I want to say living for the hope of it all across the chest. August, I love you, August. That song is everything. Meet me behind the mall anytime you want. The third project we're going to be working on is this hat. I'm going to be embroidering folklore across the front of it and a little special message on the back. And then for the fourth project, I am so excited because I've never done anything like this before. By the way, I'll link anything I have that's linkable below. I'll put it in the description for you. So I'm not really a jewelry making type. Like I'll make silly like friendship bracelets. So this is called Impress Art. By the way, none of this is sponsored. Oh well. So, see the little letters of the alphabet? Yeah. I know, this like might be really bad. We'll figure it out. But I bought these little necklaces. Please focus. Basically, you take the little like alphabet thing and you like hammer it into the necklace, so it impresses the art. And I'm gonna make one that says folklore. I don't know what I'll do with the second one. I kind of want to make it say Swiftie. Lastly, the biggest project we're gonna be working on in this video is a folklore denim jacket. Again, remember when I said I don't paint? I don't paint, and I mean it. But I made this Reputation one for Rep Tour that I wore. I got smarter, I got harder in the nick of time. I put the patches all over it. I mean, I also have my Meredith and Olivia pins. Shout out to Shannon. Oh my God, remember when we bought those and like split the pack? Although I want to make one kind of similar to that, I got this. This denim jacket, I feel like is really unique. It's like super long, like literally covers my butt. Because the back is so long, I figured there's a lot more space to like paint on keywords. Bear with me here. I've come up with a list of just words that if you know the album, you'll know, but otherwise they don't make sense together. So those are all my ideas. Let's get started with our teal t-shirt. So for the first project, we're going to be embroidering. This is my grand idea. So this is kind of like the outline of the t-shirt, and then you can see 16 yogurt shop, and the S is gonna be like a $sign. Because you know, certain someone was 16 working at a yogurt shop to make a little money. So we're gonna pull from the inspiration of that lyric to make a t-shirt. Now I wanna talk about the cost of this project. This t-shirt, it's Gildan, and it was about $4 from Michaels. Also hack, I don't know if I should mention this or not, but Michaels has a ton of coupons. If you download the app, they're always there. So I think I used a coupon for this, but yeah, it was only $4. Also, I just wanted to say that everything I bought for this video has been washed. It has been sanitized. Now, if you're wondering, Andrea, where did you get all this embroidery? This whole thing is filled with thread. I know, it's a lot. When I decided I wanted to start embroidering more, I went to Michael's and I bought a value pack, and it is so convenient. It was such a good decision because now I always have it with me. So I also have this little container thing, and it's filled with needles for embroidery. All different hand sewing needles. They're all different sizes. It was, I forget how much it was, but I'll link it below, from Amazon. And this is not a necessity. You can use a pencil, but this is a fabric marker. But basically you write on the fabric, and the second you run it under cold water, it disappears. So we're gonna take our thread. I just kind of do embroidery. I'm not like a pro. I don't really know what I'm doing. Alexa, can you play the Folklore album? Cute, this is coming along. This also has been taking me so much longer than I thought it was, but whatever. Okay, not exaggerating, a little less than 2 hours later, my hands low-key hurt. I mean, the teal yogurt shop shirt is so cute. If you read it, it doesn't really make a lot of sense, but if you know the song Invisible Strings, it makes so much sense. I'm thrilled with the way it came out. So we're moving on to our second folklore DIY merch. We have this green shirt. Again, I think it's the same brand. Yeah, the Gildan, $4 at Michael's, can't beat it. I forgot to mention this last time. I know you're probably looking at this and you're like, damn, that's a lot of string. Yeah, it is. And you don't have to buy it in bulk like I did. I think like this strand thing costs like 50 cents or something, so you can buy exactly what colors you want. So for this one, I think I'm only gonna use one color. So literally if you bought this t-shirt and this, you would only pay like $5. This is what I have in mind. I'm thinking it's gonna say living for the hope of it all, and I would really like to cut the neck out. You know, let's switch it up. Let's challenge ourselves. Let's push the limit like Taylor Swift. I might just put a little dot in the middle where I want the V to go. I feel like it's not even. Okay, it's kind of, I'm kind of living for it. Why don't I do this with more shirts? Where is my fabric marker? I cannot lose her. I cannot at all. Oh, Ollie, are you so interested? Do you like the shirt? We should have made you a shirt. Maybe next video. Okay. Living for the hope of it. Oh my god, this with my little folklore necklace I'm gonna make. Ah. I absolutely am obsessed with the V neck that I cut out. I think it is very flattering on me and I cannot wait to wear it. I like that the letters are big and readable and in cursive. So fun, like I know what it means. Okay, so for the next project, I'm going to be working with the Impress art. It was definitely the most pricey thing I bought. So they have packs at Michael's that like come with a hammer and like a thing to hammer it onto. But I just didn't feel like spending the money on like the really big one because I think I can just do it with a normal hammer. Okay, so what do we want to say? Folklore, everyone. Folklore. Have you heard folklore? Can you see it? It has a tiny little F on it. And I am under the impression that you take the hammer and just hammer it in. So I'm just gonna go for it. We're not holding back here. We're just gonna go for it. You really gotta whack it. The necklace is bending. Okay, so that like literally bent it. Not good. Oh, this is not going well. They both bent. That's definitely not supposed to happen. Maybe I should have bought the kit. This is such a fail. Oh, it doesn't actually look that bad on camera. It's bending the more I hit it. I definitely think with practice I could get better at this. Maybe if I research it more, buy better things. But I'm happy I have like a new tool and they did not come out well. If you know anything about, what is it called? Impress art? Yeah. Let me know in the comments below. It didn't work out. This isn't it. Maybe I'll look into the kit and get the kit, but for now, we tried. On to the next. Prob's my favorite project of the day. Next up, we have this lovely, it's really soft, hat. You can get these on Amazon. You can get them literally in like almost any store, any clothing store. What I want to do for this hat is to embroider folklore in the font of the album across the front. And I'm also going to put TS8 on the back in like little embroidery letters. But I'm gonna try to match the font as best as I can. So let's give it a whirl. First, I'm gonna take my fabric marker and I'm gonna run through this again. And when you're wearing the hat, you want it like low. You don't want it up here, Andrea, low, okay. Wow, you can see it so clearly now. Also, I think for doing it freehand, not that bad. Here we go. This hat, I am so thrilled with how it came out. I'm actually really proud of the freehand folklore font. Also the TS8 on the back, it's kind of like just a nod to the 8th era. The last one. And for my last magic trick, we are going to be painting the back of this denim jacket. I need to put my hair back for this. Real quick, supplies. I think I got this for like $4 at Michael's. This denim jacket, you can get a denim jacket literally anywhere for various prices. And then this I think was $20. But I feel like I'll use this again. This had a lot of like beige, white, greens, brown, black, a little orange, very folklore colors. Let's get to it, shall we? What color should Betty be? Also, I don't know how well this is gonna paint on. Oh, a big B. Look at this selection of colors. I don't know, 20 bucks with a coupon. Kind of worth it in my opinion. Time, curious time, give me no, give me no. Ah! We're going for it. Wow, this is kind of relaxing. Is it one word or is it 2 words? Siri? Siri, I need you. The jacket, are we kidding? Something fun to wear, something that is so unique, no one else has it. I'm really happy with the words, and I also did some like green vines along the side of the arm. I thought that was kind of cool. Well everyone, that concludes my Taylor Swift DIY folklore merch. These are my items. I actually love every single one of them for different reasons. So For this giveaway, I have chosen to give away the folklore hat. This is a baseball cap that I embroidered. Folklore, I am low-key sad to be giving it away, but I just love it so much and I want another Swiftie to have this and wear it and just enjoy it. So how do you win this? How do I get it to you? What do you need to do to enter my giveaway? That sounds so bizarre, but I'm so happy to be finally doing a giveaway. The 2 things you have to do to enter this giveaway, it's really simple. You have to share this video, whether that be on Twitter or Instagram. Just make sure you tag me. I will put my username right here. So share the video and comment below, where would you wear this hat? I have some ideas. In your comment, along with where you would wear the hat, be sure to say my Twitter username is this, my Instagram username is this, so I can easily find you, and make sure you did both steps. Pretty easy. This giveaway is only open to US residents, unfortunately. The contest will take place between now until September 2nd, 2020, which is basically a week. You have a week from when this is uploaded to enter the contest. I'll be DMing the winner on September 3rd to, figure out where I'm mailing this to get it to you. The Swiftie, the winner of my first giveaway. Be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video because I have a bunch of videos just like this coming your way. I also have a bunch of Taylor Swift videos that I will link at the end of this video. Also, VMAs on Sunday, vote for Taylor. Go vote for her. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye. When you share it, tag me in it. Is this a joke? Ollie, we can't play. Let me finish the video and then we'll play, okay, buddy? I need to finish. This is the most important part of the video. Oh, he's mad. He's mad.